Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Spotify buffering issue. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Spotify is known as the popular audio and media streaming platform that has been providing its services to music and podcast fans all over the world since 2006. However, there might be cases when your Spotify application keeps buffering of content and it can spoil your overall listening experience. So in that case, here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet and a stable internet. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also try turning on your flight mode, waiting for a couple of seconds and turning it off back again. This will give your internet connection a quick refresh. You can now go back to Spotify and see if that fixes your issue. If it still keeps buffering and you don't know what to do next, the next thing you can do is to clear out temporary data from your Spotify application. Go to Settings on your Android device and tap it on. From the Settings menu, scroll down to Apps. From the Apps section, scroll down and find Spotify from the list. Once you find it, give it a tap. And now, tap on Storage from the App Info page. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom right-hand corner, which will delete your cache data accumulated on your Spotify app. You can also try clearing its data by tapping on Clear Data at the bottom left. And now tap on OK. Doing this will delete the application's data, including file, settings, accounts, and databases. Make sure you remember your credentials for your Spotify application before doing this. Now, you can go to your app drawer and open up Spotify application, log into your account, and see if that makes any kind of a difference. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to check if you have updated your Spotify application to the latest version. Tap open your Play Store and go to the search bar at the top. Type in Spotify and make your search. If you see an open button popping up right next to Spotify, you may skip this step. If you see an update button, tap on update and download the latest version of Spotify application and go back to Spotify to launch it open and see if that fixes your issue. Sometimes because of the older version you are using on your Android device, which contains bugs in it, might be the main cause why you are not being able to use your Spotify application and it keeps buffering. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Spotify application by pressing hold to the app from the app drawer and tap on uninstall. Confirm uninstallation by tapping on OK in the pop-up and your application will be uninstalled from your device. Now you can go back to Play Store, reinstall the app, and check if everything's fixed. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Spotify application keeps buffering and does not let you play any kind of music. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.